Hello teachers and everyone. My name is Yang Mei Mei. I'm a student at the Top International School. Today I want to talk about how to stay positive at school. Staying positive means feeling happy, thinking good idea and trying our best every day. One way to stay positive is by smiling. A smile helps me feel good and it also makes my friends feel happy too. Another way to stay positive is by being kind. I can share my things, help my classmates, and say nice words like good job or thank you. I can also stay positive by listening my teacher. When I listen carefully, I can understand the lesson and I feel proud of myself. Sometimes schoolwork is hard, but I can stay positive by trying again and not giving up. I can say I can do it. Thank you for listening.
សាលារៀនអន្តរជាតិ Top ផ្ដល់សេវាកម្មអប់រំប្រកបដោយគុណភាព គុណធម៌ ឧត្តមភាព និងជាជំរឿនដ៏ល្អបំផុតសម្រាប់បុត្រធីតាលោកអ្នកសូមអរគុណ